What is procedural text? Step-by-step explanation for kids. Hey everyone! Have you ever followed a recipe, played a board game, or built something using instructions? If yes, then guess what? You've already used a procedural text. But what exactly is a procedural text? In this video, we'll learn what a procedural text is, why it's important, some fun examples. So, let's get started. What is a procedural text? A procedural text is a type of writing that gives step-by-step instructions on how to do something. It tells us what to do and how to do it. Think of it like a map that helps you complete a task in the right order. Why is procedural text important? Procedural texts are super useful. They help us follow directions correctly, complete tasks easily, save time and avoid mistakes. How to write a procedural text. Step 1. Title. The name of what we are making. Step 2. Ingredients, what we need. Step 3. Instructions, the steps to follow. Step 4. Conclusion, a final tip or serving suggestion. To bake a cake, we need to follow 4 important parts of a procedural text. Step 1. Title. Every procedural text needs a title to tell us what we are making. Our title is How to Bake a Simple Vanilla Cake. Step 2. Ingredients. Before we start, we need to gather our ingredients. Here's what we need. 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cup of butter, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. These are the building blocks of our delicious cake. Step 3. Instructions. Now, let's follow the step-by-step instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. 2. Mix the flour, sugar, and baking powder in a bowl. 3. Add the eggs, milk, butter, and vanilla extract. Stir well. 4. Pour the mixture into a greased cake pan. 5. Bake for 30 minutes or until golden brown. 6. Let it cool before serving. And that's it. Your delicious cake is ready. Step 4. Conclusion. And here's our final step. Enjoying our cake. You can add frosting, fruit, or chocolate on top to make it even yummier. This is why procedural texts are so important. They help us complete tasks step by step. Now, you can bake a cake anytime by following this recipe. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite cake flavor? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fun learning, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. See you next time. Bye.